I think it was the Parashat Bechukotai, where it says if the Jewish people were to do the list that it says there, like the negative, is that some sort of like a prophecy as well?
Yes, it is a prophecy.
Like the negative side of prophecy, just like you like the negative side, since it's negative.
No, it's not only prophecy. It's a promise. It's a promise what is going to happen. But in what generation is going to happen? It's up to us. So if we, as you just say, right? If we don't do all of these negative things, so these bad things are not going to fall upon us. You understand? So HaShem is a clear, like he's very straightforward in his dealings with the world. He said, like in the beginning, that if you don't perform, that's what are you going to get, right? So that's the difference between one of the many differences between HaShem and people. So people, when they try what is it? They cook a plot against somebody. They keep everything in a secret, and then like strike in the very last second, so that the person would not realize, would not be prepared to defend himself. Hashem is not like that. He said, "Look, I'm telling you how it's going to be. You ready? You're not ready? Like I'm telling you now. I'm telling you now, and you're going to read this parsha from the age of 6 until you die, like." Every year, and it's going to be exactly the same parsha. Like if you're not going to listen, if you're going to do these things are going to happen. So is it prophecy? It is a prophecy, but it's a promise. It's not like, right? But only if we deserve this prophecy. If we don't deserve this prophecy, so opposite is true. Only good things are going to happen. So we have to take Hashem very, very seriously. When he was writing his Torah, he took himself very seriously, and he said that is going to be like some people say, no, it's not going to happen. Only good things. I have this clown. I think they I'm not sure they came from Christianity or from just secularism. I'm not sure, from Santa Claus. I don't know, but they say no, Hashem does not punish. So it's not true. We give an example, and still we give them proofs. They still continue to say Hashem does not punish; it wishes God. That's you. The Jews make the God wishes, but he's not. So it's like unbelievable. You give them verses, but they ignore.